Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ओम भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। 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 ओम भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः।
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
If you practice medicine with love, it becomes Medicare. That is, you are taking care of the patient. You are taking him in a loving embrace. But if you practice medicine without love, it becomes medicine. MEDISIN. Mahapapamu, sin, Swami has told. Of course, this applies to all other fields because I am a doctor, I have mentioned that. It is not the amount or quantum of seva that is important. It is the spirit, the bhav, the motive with which that is done. And that is why in the Ramayana, the squirrel was lifting a small stone and trying to put in the bridge. It attracted the attention of Lord Rama, who picked it up and stroked it. But when quoting this squirrel incident, one has to be very careful. Because the squirrel is such a small creature. For it, that small stone must have meant a big weight. But if we have the strength of an elephant, and we say, I will do the squirrel seva, lift a small stone, we are fooling ourselves because we cannot fool Swami, who is the all-knower. So the equation is, seva should be done corresponding to our capacity and capabilities, perhaps a little more than that. Then it would be true seva.
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
पार्वती नंदन श्री गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शरणं गणेश शरणं गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
शिवनंदन गणपति गणेश
गौरी गणेश उमा गणेश
Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. Without praising His name, Without service to Him, no salvation can there be. Without service to Him, no salvation can there be. Without serving mankind, no salvation can there be. Without serving mankind, no salvation can there be. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. The best wisdom is seeing the Lord everywhere. 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 The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. Without praising His name, there's no feeling of bliss. With no love and devotion, we never will be free. With no love and devotion, we never will be free. Without service to Him, no salvation can there be. Without service to Him, no salvation can there be. Without serving mankind, no salvation can there be. Without serving mankind, no salvation can there be. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. We find union with Him when our minds are at rest. The best wisdom is seeing the Lord everywhere. The best wisdom is seeing the Lord everywhere. The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. The most righteous of deeds shows compassion and care. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. There is no one as near and as dear as the Lord. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. He is present in all and in all can be adored. Without singing to the Lord, there's no peace or happiness.
हेरम्ब जननी श्री साई जननी श्री साई जननी हेरम्ब जननी श्री साई जननी हेरम्ब जननी श्री साई जननी भवानी जगदम्बे मां भवानी
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे
नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे
राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
ओ बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
गुरु नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे
नानक येशु बुद्ध हरे
जो राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
राष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
ओ बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण 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 हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
Every minute, every day, every night. Every minute, every day, every night. I wanna be the divine inner light. I wanna be the divine inner light. Every breath, every word, every thought. Every breath, every word, every thought. I wanna know truly that I am called. I wanna know truly that I am called. I am Jesus, I am alive. I am Jesus, I am alive. I am Buddha and Zoroaster. I am Buddha and Zoroaster.
पतये हर हर
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
हर हर शंकर महादेवा
हर हर शंकर महादेवा
हर हर शंकर महादेवा
हर हर शंकर महादेवा
हर हर महादेवा
हर महादेवा
हर 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 महादेवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
हर हर शंकर महादेवा
हर हर शंकर महादेवा
हर हर महादेवा
हर हर महादेवा
हर 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 महादेवा
हर 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 महादेवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
ओम हर 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 महादेवा
हर हर महादेवा
हर 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 महादेवा
हर महादेवा
हर 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 महादेवा
हर महादेवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
शिव 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 सदा शिवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
महादेवा सदा शिवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
सदा शिवा महादेवा
नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर
राधे कृष्णा जय श्री कृष्णा राधे 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 कृष्णा राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्णा राधे राधे शिरडी कृष्णा परती कृष्णा साई कृष्णा राधे राधे कृष्ण राधे 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 कृष्ण राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्ण राधे 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 कृष्ण जय श्री कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण जय श्री कृष्ण राधे राधे शिरडी कृष्ण बती कृष्ण साई कृष्ण राधे 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 कृष्ण जय श्री कृष्ण राधे 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 कृष्ण जय श्री कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्ण राधे राधे श्री कृष्ण राधे राधे जय श्री कृष्ण राधे 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 कृष्ण जय श्री कृष्ण राधे राधे
सुब्रह्मण्यम सुब्रह्मण्यम षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 साईनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम हर 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 सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम शिव शिव हर हर सुब्रह्मण्यम हर हर शिव शिव सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम 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 षण्मुखनाथ सुब्रह्मण्यम
ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्तु यव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीम दाओ तु रहीम दाओ तु वासुदेव गोविंद स्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू.
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, so is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, లోకములో ధనమే ప్రధానమైన బలమని కొందరు అంటుంటారు.
In this world, some feel that money is very important.
విద్యాశక్తియే దీనికి ప్రధానమైన విలువ అని మరికొందరు అంటుంటారు.
Some feel the value of education lies in this.
మేధాశక్తి మానవునికి ప్రధానమైనటువంటి బలము అని మరికొందరు అంటుంటారు.
Some also feel that is the power of intelligence as the aim of this education.
ధన బలము, విద్యా బలము, మేధాశక్తి ఇవన్నీ కూడాను నా దృష్టిలో దుర్బలములే కాని బలములు కాదు.
According to Swami, the power of wealth, the power of intelligence and education are signs of weakness and not of strength.
గుణమే నిజమైన బలం.
It's only character that is the true strength.
ఈ గుణముతో కూడినటువంటి యొక్క నడవడిక మానవులకు ఉన్నత స్థానమును అందించగలదు.
Along with the character, it is only the behavior that will take man to exalted position.
ఈనాటి మానవుడు ఇన్ని అనుకూలములు ఉండినప్పటికీ తగిన శాంతి భద్రతలను అందుకోలేకపోవటానికి కారణము మానవుని యొక్క దుర్నడతలే దీనికి మూల కారణం.
In spite of all conveniences, there is no peace and security. The reason is the bad behavior of mankind.
గుణముతో కూడినటువంటి నడత సరైనదిగా ఉండినప్పుడే మానవుడు శాంతిని సౌఖ్యమును అనుభవించడానికి ఎంతైనా అవకాశం ఉంటుంటుంది.
There is wide scope to have peace and happiness if there is virtue and behavior.
విద్య 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 ఉండి కూడాను గుణము లేకపోతే ఇది కేవలము రసము లేని ఫలమే, పాలివ్వని గోవే.
There is education. If there is no character, it is like a fruit without juice. It is like a cow that doesn't yield milk.
కానీ లోకములో విద్యావంతులు ఎంతమంది లేరు?
There are lots of educated people in this world.
మేధావులు ఎన్ని వేల మంది లేరు?
There are thousands and thousands of intellectuals.
తెలివితేటలు కలిగినటువంటి వారు లక్షలకు కలరు.
There are lakhs and lakhs of intelligent people.
ధనవంతుల లెక్కలేదు.
Wealthy people are many.
ఇన్ని ఉండి కూడాను మానవులకు సరి అయినటువంటి నడత, సరి అయినటువంటి గుణము ఈ రెండు లేకపోవటం చేతనే దేశము ఇన్ని విధములైనటువంటి యొక్క అవస్థలకు గురి కావలసి వచ్చింది.
In spite of all this, since there is no proper behavior and character, the country is put to so much of suffering as we find today.
పూర్వపు మహనీయులు శాంతి భద్రతను దృష్టి ఉంచుకొని అనేక విధమైనటువంటి ప్రచార ప్రబోధములు సలిపి ఎన్ని విధములైనటువంటి యొక్క దేశములకు భద్రతను అందిస్తూ వచ్చారు.
The ancient noble souls kept in view the peace and security in their mind and propagated accordingly.
అట్టి మహనీయుల యొక్క నామములు ఈనాటికి కూడాను భారతీయుల యొక్క హృదయములో చెదరని చిత్రములుగా నిలిచిపోయినవి.
The names of those noble souls are imprinted indelibly on the hearts of Bharatiyas.
కారణమేమిటి?
What is the reason?
వారి యొక్క నడత, వారి యొక్క గుణములే ఈ విశ్వాసమునకు మూల కారణం.
The main reason behind all their indelible impression is their virtue and their conduct. Studying.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
The Lord of the universe is here. Swami Satya Sai is here. Come to send devotees everywhere. Come to bless His children everywhere. Born at Puttaparthi, the Lord of the universe is here. Calm and tranquil like the moon, shining with divine inner light, filling all with bliss and His sky. He is always serving those in need, answering the prayers of devotees, giving grace to you and me. The Lord of the universe is here. Sai, you are Guru God Himself. Mother, you are everything to us. Father, you are everything to us. You are the divine primal energy, manifests all that we ever see. You are the one reality. The Lord of the universe is here. Sai, with the sacred form of Om, universal radiance divine, please accept this offering of mine. The flame of love that burns within my heart, meaning we can never be apart. You and I are ever one. The Lord of the universe is here. Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana 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 Om, Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana Narayana Om. The Lord of the universe is here. Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana 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 Om, Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana Narayana Om. The Lord of the universe is here. Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana 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 Om, Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana Narayana Om, Satya Narayana Narayana Om. The Lord of the universe is here. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Samastalokaः Sukhino bhavantu. Samastalokaः Sukhino bhavantu. Samastalokaः Sukhino bhavantu.